Hello everyone, my name is Manpreet Kaur. You want to become faster than a calculator? So today we'll learn the top 5 Vedic maths techniques that will make you human calculator. Let's learn one by one. Number 1 technique, those numbers which are ending with 5. Let's take an example, 25. If I want to find the 25 square, what is the Vedic maths technique? What is 5 square? It is 25. And this 2 you will multiply with its next number. So 2 multiplied 3, it is 6. So the answer is 625. Let's have more examples. Suppose I want to find the square of 35. So what is 5 square? It is 25. And 3 you will multiply with its next number. So 3 multiplied 4, the answer is 12. So the answer is 1225. Let's have more examples. Suppose the number is 85 square. So same technique will apply here. What is 5 square? It is 25. And 8 you will multiply with its next number. So 8 multiplied 9, it is 72. So the answer is 7225. Now there is a question for you. Tell me in just 1 second, what is 95 square? I will wait for your answer. Now the trick number 2. We'll apply the same trick in the different types of question also. Let me explain what are the type of questions. Suppose 42 into 48. Here you can see that these 2 digits are same and the sum of these 2 digits, it is 10. So we can apply the same here. 8 multiplied 2, 16. And the 4 you will multiply with its next number. So 4 multiplied 5, it is 20. So the answer will be 2016 in just 1 second. Now let's have another number. Suppose if I take 53 into 57. We can apply the same here. 7 into 3, it is 21. And the 5 you will multiply with its next number. 5 into 6, it is 30. So the answer is 3021. Amazing. Let's have the number 74 and 76. You can do in the mind in just 1 second. 6 into 4, it is 24. And the 7 you will multiply with its next number. 7 into 8, it is 56. So the answer is 5624. Now there's one question for you. Tell me in the comment section, that is 56 into 54. Tell me the answer in just 1 second. Now let's discuss the top 3 trick, which is amazing, superb, excellent. Now the trick is multiplication with the 9 series. Like if I want to multiply 72 with 99 in just 1 second, how can you do it? 72 minus 1, it is 71. And now you will subtract 9 minus 7, it is 2. 9 minus 1, it is 8. So the answer is 7128. Right? Now let's have another one, like suppose 56, 569 and you want to multiply with 999. How can you do it? 569, just subtract 1, it will be 568. Now just subtract this 9 from each digit. 9 minus 5, it is 4. 9 minus 6, it is 3. 9 minus 8, it is 1. See how fast it is. Let's have one more example with the 5-digit number. Suppose if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I'm multiplying with 99999. So what you will do here, subtract 1 from this 5-digit number. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Now you will subtract 9 from each digit. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. See, this big calculation, sometimes the calculator will not solve this much calculation. But here you can solve in just 2 seconds. And now there's a homework question. All of you do it. 2639 and multiply with 999. Tell me in just 1 second. You can do in the mind also. Now the number 4 trick is, we'll have those number multiplication which is ending with the digit 1. Let's have example. Suppose I want to multiply 41 and 51. These digits are ending with 1. Right? We have the basic conventional method that is too long. Here it is 1 into 1, it's 1. What is 5 plus 4? It's 9. And the 5 multiplied 4, it's 20. So the answer is 2091. Superb. Now it's a homework question for you. Just tell me what is 91 into 71. Apply the same trick. Just tell me the answer of this one in the comment section. Now the 5th trick is just amazing. Multiplication with 11. Let's suppose I have a number 12 and I want to multiply with 11, right? So what you can do here, write 2 here as it is. What is the sum of 2 plus 1? It's 3. And just keep the 1 as it is. The answer is 132. Let's have more examples. Suppose the number is 1, 2, 3 and I want to multiply with 11, right? So this 3 as it is. See, 11 is a 2-digit number. So maximum you can add 2 digits. So 3 as it is, 2 plus 3, it is 5. 1 plus 2, it is 3. And this one as it is. So the answer is 1353. Now we have the one number, like 143 into 11. Okay, how can you do it? 3 as it is. Maximum you can add 2 digits. 4 plus 3, it is 7. 4 plus 1, it is 5. And this one as it is. Right? So tell me which trick you like the most. So these are top 5 Vedic maths techniques. Have fun and enjoy this learning.